It is cold.
I got my book.
That's all you need?
That's all I need.
This is my girlfriend, and she's not a stranger when it comes to speed. We've done autocross together. She goes on canyon drives with me. She has done autocross herself. But as we all know, track is a bit different. So I don't know what to expect. Let's see how it goes.
Yo, that first hill, the first time
feel like you're gonna fly.
Dude, the first time we went over it, I was like, oh, this isn't that bad. And then the second time when it was like, now we realize it's actually you, like driving on the track. I closed my eyes. I'm like, I don't want to see this. Like when we were coming off out of the pit lane, I was like, oh, this is a little precarious, but I'm okay.
A few moments later.
How was it?
It was good. Great first session. Ran into a lot of traffic, which I didn't expect. But there was this Ferrari that would not let me pass.
I saw.
Like, what was his problem? Let's go and let's go.
Hey, who taught you that saying?
No one.
Who taught you that saying?
Myself.
Who taught you that saying?
Myself.
Sounds like somebody cooked here. I am funny. You should let me do commentary.
And then like we were both right behind the Mustang with the big thing. Two Mustangs. They got blue flag like 3 laps. 3 straight laps. Blue flag.
Oh, we're talking shit.
I will. That's what I'm saying. We're 140.
Energy.
Yeah, baby! I'm done. The minute I hit that joint, I was like, oh no, it's time to get off. Oh no, we gotta pull off right now.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Yeah, 138. So solid. Hit a corkscrew on the 3rd session and just be like slow-mo. Yeah, slow-mo action. That's all I'm doing for the rest of the day. Let's do it. Come on.
I said no goals for today, but we'll see.
Open B, baby. Hope he's gonna do it, baby. Yes.
Let's pray to the V8 gods.
That's what the channel needs.
Yeah. Charismatic, energetic people.
Here.
People who had Red Bull for fucking lunch.
A few moments later.
Sub 140. I had no goals.
Hey.
Well, beating no goals is better than beating, I don't know what I'm gonna say. All right, so we beat the PB.
Gang, gang,
This car.
gang.
We didn't even have a PB to begin with, but I'm happy to do sub 140.
Woo!
You're the one with the energy.
Sub 140.
Yes, bro. What's the V8 club, baby? You're laughing. Next one. Let's do it. We gotta represent the V8s, baby. We're big and heavy.
First track day on camera duty. I was supposed to be reading a book. I brought a blanket to make myself comfortable, but I've been put to work. I see a Supra here that I really like. That's the Supra. Anyways.
Wow. Oh my God, is the camera on? There wasn't any cameras on me, were there? You don't need to see the stress in my face. Let's get it. I'm gonna ride with Crystal in the next one.
Spoiler alert, she didn't.
Getting rides in different cars is always really the best, to be honest. So good luck to us. You good?
Yes.
Try to use your muscles to keep your head up.
I am. Especially when, you know, we're turning.
It's green! much lighting. Alright, gonna do another coolish lap. I need warmer tires. Can you say look up like maybe every other lap?
Am I looking up?
Just tell me to look up.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand. Look up!
Thank you. Are you comfortable?
Uh-huh.
Is this what you imagined a track day would be like?
Look up.
Thank you. I needed that. Alright, send it. The mic is off my ear. So use your hand to tell me stuff.
Track limits.
Ruined a good lap. A good lap. Do you see my delta? I was fucking 0-0. I'm thirsty though. Are you breathing hard?
Yes.
From all that looking?
Yes.
See, being a passenger princess ain't so easy after all.
I don't want to distract you or stress you. I'm terrified.
Shout!
I'm terrified. I don't want to distract you, especially when we go here. I pray.
You're still good though?
Yeah. Go ahead, on the wheel.
Man, relax.
I'm relaxed.
Let's do a slow lap. Let's catch your breath.
No, it's okay. Gun it. Gun it. Don't go slow because of me.
Nah, I need to cool.
Yo, the hairpin, terrifying.
The drop is your worst
corner?
No. My worst corner, it's not even a corner. It's a fucking straight.
Shout.
My worst corner is when we go straight and you have to like turn a little.
Yep. That's actually scary.
Yeah. So like here, this is my worst. This is my worst. I'm gonna try to keep my eyes open this time.
How do you know you're closing your eyes? You gotta see where you're going, man. Fucking hit that corner, man.
Fuck that corner.
All right, let's go say hi to Crystal.
Let's go.
Wave.
Morale is high. Let's go, baby. What's your name? Bill, I'm just sleeping right now. Wake up, Bill! Wake up!
Hey, nice, you're laughing. Like a track day. This track day just feels like hanging out with friends and just getting to drive on the track at the same time, while ignoring the boatload of money it costs to be here.
Oh my god. I thought we were gonna die.
Good job.
I've never driven in a car with you on a track day before. I realized that the very first time we went around, like not the first time, the second time, because you weren't going that fast the first time. And the first time I was like, oh, this isn't that bad. You know, I'm chilling, I'm bulling. And then you started going faster and I said, oh. This is track day. Oh, okay. This is what y'all doing every other month. It is well.
It is well.
It is well. Ooh, and over here, oh my God. I feel it drop every time.
This is actually my second worst corner. And then that's my third worst corner.
At least you hit it back to back.
Yeah.
Hi. Try not to throw up.
You could. don't set the precedent.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I don't want to.
Be the guy whose girlfriend's thrown up on
You don't want
track.
to be a risk. You know. That means you can't go in faster cars
Oh God, no.
until.
God, no.
No, maybe we should get you a Miata. Start out with a Miata. So what's more scary, turning or going or like straights
Honestly, straight.
or braking?
Because when you turn, I know you have to brake, so you'll at least go slower. But you're on a straight, like.
You don't know when I'm gonna stop.
Exactly. But when we're
Frazzled, bedazzled, jassled. Yeah, get your stats. Get the stats.
Finished our final run of the day. Cleaning up. Thoughts?
The tractor was fun. She handled being a passenger for the first one very good. You know, she didn't like
throw
tell
up.
me. She didn't like slow me down or anything like that. And then the second session, she was having fun. She was
we were
singing.
singing Cheetah Girls. Beat. The real test is if I can sing over here. Yeah. All right, get those flags up. We stand together. Let's sing. Make up one together. Beat up like the sailors, but they're different colors.
And so yeah, successful track day.
Your boxers are showing. Or tell the people what you're doing.
I am checking the time and dates on every single one of these cameras.
Pull your shirt down, you whore. Turning into those annoying TikTok podcasters.